the smart way to keep your food fresh longer. Samsung Digital Inverter, Convertible 5-in-1 Refrigerator. It comes in 11 different colorways. Refined inox, refined bronze, real stainless, pebble blue, luxe purple, luxe brown, luxe bronze, elegant inox, camellia purple, camellia blue, and black inox. It is available in 324 liters, 345 liters, 394 liters, 415 liters, 465 liters and 476 liters. And it is 2-star, 3-star rated for energy saving. It features twin cooling plus system, convertible 5-in-1, digital inverter technology, and power cool and freeze. Its twin cooling plus system provides ultimate freshness, with separate coolers for each compartment. The separate evaporators allow each compartment to maintain its ideal humidity and temperature. It includes 5 different modes, which are convertible with a simple push of a button, to suit your specific needs. Our digital inverter compressor runs at 7 different speeds for various situations. Even at night, Samsung DID is super quiet, while preserving minimum operation. Smart technology that changes your life. Its power cool and power freeze rapidly delivers cold air to fast cool or freeze on demand at the touch of a button. Power cool quickly chills food and drinks, while power freeze is great for firming up frozen food and making ice. We design your home and everyday life. Samsung Digital Inverter, Convertible 5-in-1 Refrigerator.